Today, the Supreme Court of India has upheld the 2019 abrogation of Article 370 in the state of Jammu Kashmir. I'm joined by Ashish Sood, who is co-in charge of J&K BJP and one of the senior leader of the party. So, sir, how do you look at this judgment by the Supreme Court?
This is a historic moment and a historic decision. Time and again, the central government, the NDA government led by Shri Narendra Modi ji, and has been saying that every step was taken in the interest of the people of Jammu and Kashmir, and Article 370 was a temporary article in the constitution, and we have done everything legitimately as per the constitutional provisions. But still, there was a section of political parties and political leaders who was hell-bent to create a kind of a victim narrative to garner the support of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. They were always claiming foul play, and now after the decision of Supreme Court of India, I don't think any doubts are left. Now the way for a resilient and developed Jammu Kashmir is again open.
Sir, the Supreme Court has also asked the Election Commission and the Government of India to conduct elections before September 2024, and you are co-in charge of the Bharatiya Janata Party in the state. So how do you look at it, and is the BJP ready for the election?
We are ready. We are ready, not only ready for the election, but we are ready to go to the people with the folded hands to seek their support for all the good work done by the Narendra Modi government in Jammu and Kashmir. Where we don't get votes, where we don't get support we did not get support in the last elections. Even at those places, BJP has saturated its developmental schemes, whether that be Har Ghar Jal or whether that be Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana or that be Ayushman Bharat Yojana. All schemes have been delivered to the doorsteps. The schemes have been saturated without any discrimination, whether we got the votes or not. So we are very well ready to go to the people of Jammu and Kashmir with folded hands to seek their support and work in coordination with them for a developed Jammu Kashmir, which contributes in the making of New India.
Sir, various opposition leaders as well as regional political parties leader in J&K are blaming the government or accusing the government on the social media and saying that we have been house arrest and we are not let meet to media and people. So what do you have to say on it? And they are also saying that we will still continue our fight for 370.
This is a historic day. I will not go into the blame games because many times you will remember once during his speech in the parliament, replying to various objections of opposition, the Home Minister Amit Shah ji had said, we have not house arrested anybody. Someone said, Mr. Abdullah says he is house arrested. He said, we have not arrested. If he doesn't want to come out, we cannot forcefully bring him out. So this is a historic day. I will not indulge into mudslinging. I'll appeal to all the political parties to come forward to work for a resilient Jammu and Kashmir, for a developed Jammu and Kashmir, for a state which contributes equally into the making of a new India. As far as the fight is still on, I see this as a political statement because the decision taken by Parliament, which has been upheld by the Supreme Court of India, and even if after that some people wants to fight against it, I don't know what kind of fight they believe, but I am very sure people of Jammu and Kashmir, people of the country will fight them.
So I was joined by Mr. Ashish Sood, who is co-in charge of Bharatiya Janata Party and one of the senior leader, who clearly stated his stand on the verdict, as well as he clearly said that the party is ready to fight polls in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. With cameraman Abhishek Bhai and Molnath Bali from New Delhi.